Hey there, guys. Thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money better. And today I'm bringing you information about Amazon Mechanical Turk. Not sure if you've heard of it. If you haven't, keep on listening because this is going to help you. It has helped me in the past to make a little bit of extra money, not a lot, but enough just to increase my pocket. So if you're looking for a little side hustle to add to your other money that you get, this is a good one. So first, you would have to go to the mturk.com/get started site, and there you will find this request a worker account. So you're going to become a worker and you're going to request that account. You're going to click on it so that you can get all of the information. Well, since I'm already a worker, it went straight to my account. But anyway, that's how you're going to get in to request your account. Now, once you have an account, as you see here, these are my hits. These are all the groups that I can apply for. And then here's my dashboard, which is just telling me how much I've worked. I haven't worked any this year at all, so I haven't earned anything. but and these are my qualifications. So that means what I am qualified to um, apply to do work in. So if you go to your hits, and you want to look for things that already say accept work. That's the easiest ones to do. And here you see you'll be getting 2 cents per hit. So that's a quick market research survey. You'd be doing them and you would get 2 cents every time you do them. And then this one is something for market research. You'd get 5 cents every time you do them. I like to look for ones that pay a little bit more so you can put them in reward order. And a lot of the ones that pay a little bit more, you have to qualify for. However, let's actually look for the ones you don't have to qualify. I guess they're the ones with the less money, right? Scroll down. As you see, I haven't done this in a while. Okay, so here's one, and it's only one, but it's for $5, and you don't have to pre-qualify for it. You accept it, and then you would do the job. And if you wanted to see what the job was about, well, that's in Spanish. So basically, it tells you what you'd be doing. And this one is in Spanish, so you read it. If you know how to speak Spanish, you read it. And then if you're interested in something like that, you would accept it. If you're not interested in it, you go back to where you came from, to your hits area, and you would keep on looking for more jobs. So let's go back to this one that said, I guess somebody took the one that said 5 cents. Vision language. Oh, no, we want to look at the copy text. Okay. So let's preview this just to see if it's something we're interested in. And then you'd have to do these and abide by these instructions, right? And then you'd accept it. And that's all you do. And as you get better with them faster, you have more and more that you want to qualify for, or more jobs that you want to do, you'd get paid for each task. So it's like it's task based. And like I said, it's basically only if you have nothing else to do, you need some extra money, and it's a quick side hustle that you can do from the comfort of your home. Hope this information helped you. Please go ahead and uh, join the Financial Spotlight family by subscribing to the channel, because we'd love to have you. And I bring information like this every single week to you here at the Financial Spotlight. Thanks for joining me. Have a great one. Bye.